We're here at GlassTech in Düsseldorf. I'm with Peter Nischwitz, the head of corporate communications for Bystronic Glass. He's going to give us an overview of the company and then tell us about some of the things they have on display here this year. Peter, lovely to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you, and hello and welcome to our Bystronic Glass booth. Yeah, this year we are celebrating the 50th anniversary of the Bystronic Glass Group, especially of our German division. Since 1966 we are producing machinery and equipment for the insulating glass manufacturing, or especially for the architectural glass market. And true to that motto, we call it Mission Next 50 Years. We do not always look at the past, but we are looking also forward into the future. And that's why we created our exhibition motto this year, which is called Mission Next 50 Years, because we want also to show the innovations that leads to better equipment also for the future.
Okay, we have some fairly amazing equipment on display here. Can you tell me a little about what you've brought to GlassTech this year?
Yes, of course I can do. So here just behind us you see our Bavaria TPS line, which is an IG line for TPS, that stands for thermoplastic spacer insulating glass units. And as a novelty this year we launch also the finisher. The finisher is a machine that for the aesthetical smooth of the patented bevel joint of the TPS. And additionally we have over there the so-called palletiser, which is an offloading robot that we are launching together with our French cooperation partner Tecoma. And this robot can depalletize the IG units directly from the IG line, precisely in the exact sequence that later on the window manufacturer need for palletizing it back into the window lights. Exactly.
And what about over here behind us in the other corner? There are some other interesting looking things. Can you tell me a little about that, please?
Yes, of course. Not only we are producing insulating glass manufacturing equipment in the architectural glass division, but also handling devices for the easy use of glass lights for easy glass handling. And we have another division, our automotive glass division, and here behind we are showing the Gem Speed automotive glass cell. And this cell is the new developments on this cell is especially in the cutting and braking machine. We are using linear drives, and if you see, for instance, every second car is in the meantime equipped with front lights or back lights or side lights that are manufactured on Bystronic glass equipment.
So, based on some of these newer innovations, are you seeing new segments of the market opening up, or in fact new markets opening up for your company?
New markets, let's say, our main markets are still Europe, Americas and Asia. The Asian market is growing, and we also noted an increased number of visitors, especially from Asia at this year's exhibition. Concerning the products, we saw that the request using thin glass or display glass, this is a trend into the future. And especially with our automotive glass equipment, we are still able also to cut and to process glass lights up to a glass thickness from 0.4 millimeters.
This year at GlassTech, have you seen an increase in visitors or a change in the type of visitor that you have to your stand?
Although we do not have yet the final figures from the Messe Düsseldorf, but we saw a lower quantity of visitors at this exhibition, but at least the quality of the visitors was very, very high. And in comparison to other exhibitions, we can say that the quality of our visitors, the decision finders and so on, was extremely high at this year's exhibition.